right, so let's pop open the hood and check the engine this morning with our car guru, Lauren Fix. Lauren, thanks for joining us. Happy Monday to you. This all got sparked last week. We were talking about, we should have Lauren back on to talk about some of the things that actually do happen and don't happen. Let's talk about lightning, first of all. Your car can protect you from lightning. Myth or not?
That is kind of a myth, and I'll explain why. A lot of people think I've got rubber tires that touch the ground, so if I'm in my vehicle, there's one of those lightning storms you were just talking about, and my car gets hit by lightning, I'll be fine. Remember, it depends what you're driving. It's not the rubber on the tires because there's metal in those tires. It's what you're touching. So if you're touching a leather steering wheel, you might be okay. I will tell you this, if you've ever been in a vehicle struck by lightning, it will scare the heck out of you because it is a loud bang, and it can cause severe electrical damage to your vehicle.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like a Faraday cage, though. An open Jeep, you might be more at risk, obviously, type of thing as well. How about premium gasoline? Better for your car. Even if you have a high-end car, do you still really have to use premium?
If the vehicle says you should run premium fuel, and that's on a lot of these real high fuel economy cars, many of them, especially premium cars, require premium fuel. Run it. Don't run the, as I call it, the cheap gas, because the cheap gas will actually cause your engine to what they call retard. So it'll get slightly poor fuel economy. It won't have that same pickup. Now, if you have a regular vehicle and you have to run premium to make it run, there's something wrong with your engine. It has nothing to do with fuel.
Time to trade it in. All right, Lauren, is motor oil kind of a poor man's Armor All?
Oh, no. I would never do that. There are chemicals that are in motor oil. It would destroy the rubber. Plus the fact when you take off all that lovely oil will just sling along the side of your paint, and then you got a bigger problem.
I never even heard of that one. How about all-season tires? Are they so good that you don't need winter tires?
Well, there's a 40-degree rule. In other words, when you're driving and the temperatures are regularly below 40 degrees, which is the upper half of our country, you definitely need winter tires. Even in Canada, they're mandating snow tires because you get the best grip. Think of it this way. You wear sneakers during the summer, but during the winter, you need snow boots. They have to be soft enough to grip the snow and the ice, because without that, basically you pack in those treads and you're going for a skating trip.
Okay, kind of a twofer. One of our producers, one of his myths that he always heard is that you need to run your car no matter what season, 1 minute before you drive it. Bubbler, Steve Paderak, okay?
1 minute before you drive it?
A minute is fine. I mean, you got to wait for the oil to get through the engine and start lubricating everything.
I've never waited a minute.
So you can't just turn it on and put it in reverse and go?
That's what I do.
Literally.
Well, you can. I mean, it's sort of like kicking out of bed and say, run.
Well, that's actually how I get out of bed in the morning,
That's how we get up in the morning, Lauren.
It's too early to waste any time. How about, can you drive a new car long distances? I always heard right when you drive a car off the lot, you've got to wait some time. Is that true?
Well, if you're talking about a performance car and you're going to put it on a racetrack, sure, you should wait for the braking window.
You should break in the engine a little bit?
Any normal car, no, just drive it normally. You know, not supposed to obviously drag race it at the lights, but if you're just driving it normally, you should be fine. If you're going to go cross country, go buy a new car. It's a great time to buy a new car, by the way. Great deals. And just drive from coast to coast or wherever your heart desires. That's why I love gasoline-powered engines.
Lauren, you're going to drive us again. We have more questions to put you to the test. You know, like, do you have to turn the air conditioning off to save fuel if you're low on fuel, those types of things?
Kind of
do you do that?
I don't.
You don't? Well, we'll find out if you need to or not.
If I'm hot, then I'm going to just, because I always